Is a mess, but give me a little bit of time. It's actually not that bad. Oh, it looks like a hoarder's mess, but I swear to God it's not. All right, all of this gone. Oh, there's got to be a better way to do this. All right, yeah. Oh yeah, that one worked. Anything about that? Let's do a little half zoom. I'm sick, so ignore me. But we're down to the last pile of stuff, and all the walls are white. We'll call that part one. Next, we'll have it finished up and be moving the powder coating equipment in. So, thank you. I'm pretty stoked. I got it in. Let's go. Let's check this out. Hey guys, my name's Seth, and this is Clutter to Color. We're going to take this clutter and turn it into this powder coating shop. Come along for the adventure. We're bound to get into some crazy things.
Top of the morning, I'm feeling it. Keep it too real, gotta reel it in. Player the dealers, I'm really him. Stay with the deal, now it's dividends. Stay with the horses, gone with the breeze. Speak from the heart, got her on her knees. I've been the hardest to make a breathe. Stayed in the darkness to some degree. I've been a winner since I'm a 10. I'm trying to kill it, I've never been. Greatest at being with only fans. Greatness in me come from money hands. Play it off being a funny man. Lay it down and do the running man. I've been the greatest it's never been. Nowadays I'm living on the end.
Let's jump in and see where we get today. I told you guys, electricians can't even get good help anymore. Instantly drinking on the job. I definitely didn't give it to him. And then heating up some pipe. And he's got the ditch lined out where we need it. I'm about to get power to this big girl. Once, a bunch of other stuff done. End of the week, we're gonna get power to this thing. Eric saves my ass on the often, and then whoops my ass on the RC track, like really bad. Like I think I'm fast, and then he shows up. He's the epitome of the meme where like you think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot, and then this guy shows up. He's that guy for sure, for sure. Yeah, but he puts it on the board. He picked this up and it just jiggled like a rope. I did not even know it was a thing. And that's it. He's like, no, we don't need 90s.
Why buy 90s when you can make them?
That was wild.
It looks pretty square.
Neat, dude. That's so cool. I've always wondered how that was done in big buildings. Now I know. That's crazy. Wow. I'm excited about this. This is probably boring as hell to everybody else that's ever going to see this, the whole two of you. But this is fun for me. I have never seen this done in 35 years and had no idea you could just heat it up and just bend it like a wet noodle.
They do make a
Neat.
like a tanning bed for pipe.
Oh.
And I think they'll go up to 1.5 inches or 1 inch, and most of our pipe we can't fit them in those, so then we just use the weed burners. And that's all we
Neat.
use.
Well, it makes sense. I just never thought about it with pipe because it's not something I even work with. But I need to build a box with a heat rod so that I can apply heat in a very specific spot to bend up the edges on some plastic sheets. And that's exactly how you do it. How cool. Dang, the line is in. How he did that was like magic. Literally went to the storage unit. Here he goes. And this is also just for reference for us later. But it pretty well comes direct in a line off of this to the corner. So that's where it goes. But how freaking cool is that? Got the pipe all up. And then he molded it all the way through here. All right, it's the next day. But the ditch is filled in. Let's get it. This is cool. It's awfully muddy, but the pipe is in. As you can see, it's heading down the wall. and it's already in and buried. And we just got to continue it onto the house, into the wall, and into the main panel box. Working on this. Got our line. Everything's in here where we left it. All right. Time to get after it in the rain. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that beautiful trench covered up. Right now, Eric is underneath the house, getting ready to drill the hole through the wall, and then we'll run the pipes out and connect. And we're probably going to have wire ran tonight. I don't know if it's going to be connected on both ends, but like we're there. I'm so excited. So excited. It's almost ready. Okay, it's Thursday. We got really nasty rain out yesterday and some rain this morning, but still on target to fire up for the weekend. Eric's going to get a bunch of this done tonight. I'm going to give him a hand. And then tomorrow, I think he's going to plan on mostly finishing it. But tomorrow when I get off work, I will not be around to help or see the end of it, which does suck, because I'm going to Ohio to pick up a couple more Mazda motors. So, oh man, this is getting excited. I am like so excited to powder coat something. All right, let me bring this stuff to Eric that he asked for and go from there. I'm crouched down on the stairs here to get this shot. Come on. It's so close. There it is. What's up, brothers? There we go. Now I can see there's a hole through there with light. Nice. Take a breather, kiddo. Alrighty, let's take a look at the pipe here. You can see it how it goes up. All the way over and into the hole. And then he is making the final bends up to the power box now. What do you think, Chassis? Did we do a good job? I'll take that as a yes. All right, so now it's much colder, as you can tell. And he is drilling somewhere down in there. And try not to hit anything. And then we'll shut the power off. We need a bag because we will suck a bag with that line on it through that pipe and into the thing. All right, it's starting to run. Let me get Chassis inside. Ah! Inside. Hi. So now we've got the stud notched for the power cord that's going to go over there, and I'll make a block for it later. A couple of 2x4s that we're laying outside, thrown up there. And if we get lucky, you measured right.
Hopefully.
If not, we get 2 holes.
Yeah, it's just that way if you need to get in there again, you don't have to take this off to drill it. Just got a spare hole, you know? That is 1.5 inches. How thick is this drywall?
All right, it is now Friday. The box is mounted to the wall. So we have the box mounted to the wall. There's no light coming through the pipe because the pipe is all mounted as well. And we're making progress. Let's go. I'm in a rush because I'm getting ready to head to Dayton, Ohio to go pick up 2 Mazda motors, and I just dropped one out of the truck. But we'll seal all this up with silicone, make it look nice, but into the trench it goes. Oh, over to here, and then into the wall. So we got a few more straps to put on, but everything's ran up into the outlet, or up into the box. So the only thing left now is to pull the wire and do the final connections with the box. We're almost there, let's go. All right, off to Dayton. It is 4:30 right now, and PM, and I'm going to drive 4.5 hours to meet this guy at 10 o'clock at night and pick it up, and then I'm gonna drive straight back here, hopefully get here by or before 3 a.m., catch a couple hours of sleep because Eric will be here in the morning, and we'll be right back at this to get power up and hopefully make some noise with an air compressor, the oven, and the meat blaster. So close. All right, this is broke up. It's just taken so many weeks. I'm so sorry. It's kind of like all over. I'm in a ton of different outfits. I had a voice, I didn't have a voice, I have a voice. We're all over the place, but so close. So here we go. Let's get it. Thanks for watching. And if you're into this kind of thing, please follow along. There's plenty more to come. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Right in the back of the Thanks, baby. He's leaving to go race.
What? Why you want me inside?
Have fun, boss man. Go get him, big guy. Two steps cracking. Oh, check out his legs moving around. Is that neat?